Alrighty, hey everybody, it's Megan, and today we are going to be doing another little Wip and Chat. If you guys aren't familiar with what a Wip and Chat is, it just stands for work in progress, so it's WIP. And then normally I just kind of sit here and talk to y'all while I work on my diamond painting. If you guys are new to my channel, this diamond painting is called Witch's Bedroom. It's by Miss Butter D. Ooh, I think in the last video I said Chris a Bug, but that is wrong. This comes from the company Diamond Art Club. They sell the kit. And I am kind of trying to work on a little section every day until I get to a certain amount that I've allocated for a week. Like, I kind of have a little bit of a diamond painting goal going on right now. Let's see, let's clean off my drill. I think that my tray is a little, I think there may be some wax residue on my tray. My drills have been getting caught up on everything today. But yeah, how is everybody doing? This is Saturday, January the 13th for me in Arkansas, coming live. Well, not live to you guys. From Arkansas, it's Megan's diamond painting video. Let me get out my drills here. How has everybody's week been so far? What is going on in the neighborhood? What is new with y'all? What is new in the neighborhood? Let's see. I'm gonna work on my equal sign today and then my little dot. I think those are the colors that we're gonna knock out. Probably more, but you know. Who knows what is going on? I've got my handy dandy little spoon to open my container here because my fingernails do not want to participate with this. But yeah, how is everybody? So today's Saturday for me. I currently have my laundry in the wash. I just took one load out of the washer and put it in the dryer. So now I am working on putting another load in, which was kind of small. I also put a black shirt in with my reds, so we'll have to see how that shakes out. I'm sure it'll be fine. Do you guys have like weekend routines? Let me get a little bit of a cover going on right on this side so that I'm not putting my hand all in my poured glue here. It's a little bit warm where I am just right at this moment because I am sitting next to a window, a south-facing window. So it's about 1 o'clock. It's about 1:41 p.m. And right about now, the sun is coming right through that window. It's cold though, y'all. We're about to get some winter storms where I am. So me being from Arkansas, that means that we don't have snow tires. Our infrastructure is not made for ice. Anything could happen, you know? A little bit spooky. Oh, that's all the dot that I had. No, I have 2 down here. 3. But yeah, what is going on with y'all? What is in the news? I bet everybody is super excited for spring, huh? Normally where I am, we have tornadoes. We have tornadoes, so spring is beautiful, but also tornadoes. Last year there was a tornado so close to my house that I got in the car and went south a little bit. I was right in the line of it. So in Arkansas, our capital is a city called Little Rock. And Little Rock actually got hit by that tornado pretty hard. There was a neighborhood who got like wiped out. I don't know if we're considered Tornado Alley. I think Tornado Alley is like Kansas, right? Let's see. I think I want to do the equal sign next. I think I just have like a lot of confetti right here. I I do not like this little song playing. Here we go. I was talking in my last video about how I want to get a new diamond painting pen. I got this pen from a company called O'Brien's Custom Turning, and I really like them. I was just talking about how the support for that company is really good. I messaged them earlier this morning because I accidentally made an order. Do you guys ever do the like buy now pay later stuff like Klarna or Afterpay or Affirm maybe? I don't like doing them, and I do them maybe like once a year. And it's usually on something I like that isn't super expensive, but it's something I'm a little bit like, well, should I really be buying this? I'm sure it's not good for you to do it. I don't know if it affects your credit negatively or anything, which I should obviously look up. But I was kind of looking into it because Etsy, this diamond painting pen shop, they go through Etsy, and Etsy lets you do Klarna. And I don't know that I've ever done Klarna before, and I was kind of just curious about it. And it sent the order through even though I hadn't paid for it. You know, like I was kind of looking around and then I hadn't hit confirm, but it's like the site got stuck in between me paying for it or like, you know, like me going through the process but not clicking pay. So it's like the status on my order was kind of weird. But yeah, it was today's Saturday, so I sent them a message asking to cancel it, and I told him that I made the order by mistake. And immediately Miss Carol replied, she's like, I'll try to fix it, blah blah blah, you know, super nice lady. Super nice. Let me get my ends out here. I also have a fingernail that's kind of broken. Do not judge me. I haven't figured out what I want to do with it next. I feel like my fingernails are so pretty. And if I cut my fingernails short, I don't know if I want to cut them all short so I don't just have one raggedy looking fingernail. Or maybe I could just have one raggedy looking fingernail. I don't know the etiquette with this. I don't know what I should do. I think I should probably do whatever I want to do and not worry about what anybody else thinks, huh? But what have y'all been up to? Are you keeping up with your New Year's resolutions yet? I'm kind of on a no-buy for diamond painting because I have so much in my repertoire. Or maybe not my repertoire, but my stash. My stash is like Moby Dick and I am Ishmael. That's not a very good analogy because I already have the stash. Or maybe the stash needs to be captured or completed, and that's the allegory we're making here. So in my stash right now, I have Beachcomber's Bounty, which is huge. It's a pretty big diamond painting and it's squares. This one is also a square, so this is like my first project that I've taken on with squares that I intend to complete quickly. So I'm kind of learning how to master them, you know. So I have Beachcomber's Bounty, and then I have Primrose from Diamond Art Club, which is an Alphonse Mucha, I think is how you pronounce his name. And I need to finish that one too. What else do I have? I have Flight of the Fireflies by Randall Spangler that I need to complete, but that one's kind of small. I got my coffee here with me. And it's a round, so I figure I'll complete it kind of soon. What else do I have in the storage room? I'm gonna have to post a picture sometime of my little setup, or maybe a future Megan while you're editing this. Why don't I just write down a note about that real quick? I should add in a photo right here of what my little room looks like. Oh, I need a pen. Where's my pen? Here's my little pen case. I have a storage room. It's just kind of like my junkie room where I keep all of like my treadmill is in there that I've had for 18 years, and my holiday storage for decorating and whatnot. Let's see. 10 minutes 54 seconds. Let's do that so the girl can not have to look for this. So I have a storage room, and usually with my diamond painting, I normally, for a very long time, would come into my bedroom. So I'm in my bedroom right now where I work and everything, and I have a setup with a standing desk for work, you know. And for the longest time when I would diamond paint, I would bring everything in to my bedroom, and it would take forever for me to haul stuff around and bring it in, you know, which was such a pain in my butt. So then my storage room, I said, you know what, why don't I just put up a little table in there, and then said that is my diamond room spot, my diamond room, my diamond painting spot, so that any day I can just say, let me go diamond paint for an hour, you know, and it'll all be sitting there ready for me. I do like recording videos in here though, because I have my computer in here, so that's how I get all my good footage and my microphone and stuff. But otherwise, I've made a little mini, a lady cave, not a man cave, but a lady cave maybe, you know. I've got a little TV that I just had in storage, just some little dinky TV that a family member had and they didn't want it anymore, so sometimes I watch some Netflix in there, diamond paint. I'll have to take a picture of that and show y'all, huh? It's cozy. I mean, it's okay. I've got one of those little lights, like a craft room light. It's like a little lamp that sits on your table, and it has storage in the bottom of it for pins or knickknacks or whatever. And then I got my little diamond painting shelves, my little $16 shelves I got from Amazon. It's an okay shelving system. It's okay. It's not fantastic. I think it has 25 slots. And it comes with 25 boats, but the boats are not good. They're kind of, you know, like here, you know, the boat. The bottom of them is not completely flat. So if you put your pin down to grab your drills, when you come up, it can kind of shake the drills, or like the pressure that you're applying is really weird. Okay, I'm getting everything out of my storage trays. Let's go for the G's now. I think this is a lot of G's here. I'll go ahead and grab my J's too. But yeah, I've just been doing I've been trying to do like maybe an hour a day, because for me, it's kind of hard for me to stay on task with these long-term projects, right? But that's just me as a person, you know? But yeah, what new stuff is going on with y'all? But a bunch of you have kiddos that are back in school after Christmas break and are so excited. I can never tell if Christmas break is fun for parents or they'd rather just, you know, send them on back. I got a Facebook pop-up. Do you guys ever get these on Facebook? They're memories. You'll get a little notification that 10 years ago, oh, this happened. You posted this picture on, you know, January 13th, 2014. I had some pictures like that recently, and it was like the middle of December. And the pictures were of like 7 inches of snow where I am. And we never get snow that early in the year anymore here. I think Christmas this year, or 2023 Christmas, it was like t-shirt weather outside almost. This weather has been crazy, y'all. Too silly. Too silly with the weather here. Too silly with the weather. What else is going on? Somebody was telling me recently that Michaels does rewards. Oh, I feel like I haven't really discussed this with you guys before. Do you guys do the Michaels Makers Market diamond painting kits? They look real good to me. My issue with diamond painting sometimes is that I don't like them to look super cartoony or pixelated, or I feel like Diamond Dots is kind of this way where the kits aren't big, and because of that, the art looks cartoony and pixelated, right? Which is normal with diamond painting, you know, like for you to have something that looks really pretty and natural, it's gonna have to be huge to have room for 1,000 different colors and shadows, right? But it's like I'm kind of stuck in the middle of a rock and a hard place with that, because I like the idea of small kits that get done quickly, but at the same time, it really turns me off when the kits just don't look good. I really like the idea of going to Michael's for diamond art. Diamond painting kits, you know? But I feel like they never really have anything that looks great to me. But I haven't seen the quality of their drills before. I guess they do squares too. I wonder if Make Market, which is Michael's company for diamond painting, if they do both squares and circles, rounds, excuse me, or if it's mostly a square situation. Let me get a drink of my coffee here. I'm doing a shot of espresso with a cinnamon roll flavored protein shake with a little bit of vanilla and some pumpkin pie spice. It is so good. I kind of want to look at the Make Market website right now. You guys think that I have the ability to do so? I don't know that I do. Let's see. We're looking, y'all. We're looking. My easel is right in front of my keyboard. So I am doing all sorts of acrobatics trying to type that in for y'all. Okay, so I'm looking at the Michaels website real quick. Sorry. I'm trying not to be rude. Oakley dokley. Can you guys see? It's gonna be cropped kind of weird. Transform. Right to the screen. Okay. This is going to be improperly sized, sorry. So let's take a look. There we go. Okay. So this is what they have right here. My closest Michael's is North Little Rock, Arkansas, so that's what that's showing there. They have some cute stuff. You see, some of this stuff just looks so pixelated. My Wip and Chats always just take a turn. I'm sorry if this is off topic and rude to y'all. See, it doesn't look fantastic to me. I'm just not in love with it. Does it tell you what shape the drills are? Pre-sorted round diamond art gems. That's interesting. think the make market is gonna have some cool stuff. They have little bitty tiny things too. Tiny kits. I'm getting completely derailed right now. Which kind of looks like they're ripping off the Paint Gem company. Have you guys seen Paint Gem? You get like 8 little tiny micro diamond paintings for almost $40, y'all. $40? I saw a post somewhere where people were like, I am so impressed by Paint Gems and the quality of their packaging. And I'm like, y'all, if you could just shave $10 off of that and give me bad packaging, I would buy some. You know what I mean? Like, I don't really want to be impressed. So they have this cottage. Ooh, they have one at my store. Guys, I'm cottage girl now. Y'all have no idea how much I want a cottage diamond painting. But you know, the thing about cottages is that I feel like they're always huge. I feel like for you to get the detail of like a pretty cottage, it has to be giant, right? It's gonna have to be giant. I wonder if Michael's has a magnifying glass I could get. You know, I got one recently from Amazon and I don't know that I like it very much. I think that the magnifying glass is a little bit too strong, and I think that the viewfinder in it, is that what we're gonna call the glass part? I think it's too little. I want like a bigger glass that isn't as zoomed in. Oh, there's another cottage painting. I really like the wheat field. I think it's a Van Gogh. You know, they say Van Gogh isn't Van Gogh, it's Van Gogh. It's supposed to be Van Gogh. But that's kind of silly. The same people who worry about stuff like that, they never say Louis Vuitton. They say Louis Vuitton. You can't have both. We can't have everyone pronouncing everything correctly all the time. This is kind of pretty with the lighthouse. I'm not seeing anything that just really blows my dress up, as my mother would say. Now this Eiffel Tower is very cool. But it's... What is the river? Is it like the River Seine? Isn't there, what is the river next in Paris called? We're getting super off topic. Okay, let me close this now. Me diamond painting and doing whip and chats is 100% me just talking. Other people also talk, but I wanna talk. I think I'm done with my G's. Oh geez. Oh geez. How many guys, how often do you think that you're spilling your drills? Lately I've been really insecure about how much I'm spilling. Or you know, like maybe you're putting some back into your compartment and one just bails ship. He goes overboard. I had seen some people talking recently about companies not wanting to give you the drills anymore. Or like companies being annoyed with people. I don't know, y'all. Okay, you can still see that. I'm being insecure a little bit. I've read some scary stories recently about a certain diamond art company getting upsetty with customer service, and now I'm a little bit spookied, because usually I think so I finished Couch Dragon by Diamond Art Club, and I finished Tea Time Spell, and with Couch Dragon I needed extra, it was like a really like a parchment color that I ran out of, and then when I emailed them about that, they actually said, oh, you didn't run out or anything, it's this print, like when it first came out, there was an error in the rendering. There was like a stripe that wasn't added to it that should have been, so like my canvas had an issue where there was an extra stripe that shouldn't have been there, and I didn't get enough drills for it, which wasn't my fault, you know. So they sent me some extra drills for that one, and then when I did Tea Time Spell, I ran out of 2 colors earlier. And I honestly don't know if that was my fault or their fault, because I am a really meticulous person. When I kit up, I have it all in one place. I put my extras in their own little baggie and everything stays with each other. You know what I mean? Like nothing is being taken anywhere for it to get lost, right? However, I am human, so I could be wrong. I could have made a mistake, and I am not afraid to admit that. But I read some interesting stories about people getting banned. I didn't know that a company could say, you can't shop here anymore, we're banning you. But that's just my entire personality, where I kind of am afraid of authority for some reason a little bit. So for me, I'm one of those people who if there's like a police officer or something, I'm assuming that I'm going to jail even though I've never done an illegal thing in my life. I'm like, oh my gosh, they're gonna have a warrant for my arrest or something, even though I've never done anything, or like, I don't know why I think stuff like that. Color do I want to do next here? I have some E's. Let's see. I also have some 2s, which is going to be my AB, but y'all, I'm mad at my AB, my Aurora Borealis, my shiny drills. They're about to act up. Watch this. My little yellows. My ABs, it's like my regular pen and wax does not want to pick them up. And then a few weeks ago, I got some cheapo little, they're like pencils with wax on them that are supposed to be good for ABs. They're little white pencils. And I thought, oh, this will fix my problem. Nope, it did not fix my problem. It was leaving white residue on the top of my drills. And I've seen some people talk about pretty placers, and it kind of looks like a crayon. It's a wax crayon for your ABs, but I went on to Etsy. Those things are $8. Do I want to spend $8 plus $4 shipping on a wax crayon? No, I do not. I don't. And my ABs, they always want to take my wax out of my pen too. Like if I single place, then they're gonna pull my wax out. I don't know. We're just having a dispute between the ABs and I at this point in my life. If you guys have any good tips on what to do with your ABs, let me know. Because I just don't know how to get them to act right. Cute though. It looks like she's got some ABs in her witch's hat. That's cute. We're getting a little bit confetti heavy right here. How do you guys place ABs? Do you use a tweezer? Some people use tweezers, and I have the hardest time with tweezers. So for me, I have several pairs, like these, for example. But I almost feel like the tweezers that I need for diamond art would have to be flat at the end so that they can be parallel with the surface of my painting or whatever I'm picking them up from. Does that make sense? Dang, this coffee is good, y'all. Let's see, it's 2 o'clock now. Guys, I need to clean my bird bath. My bird bath is so freaking dirty. And you know, another bird conversation. Birders, people who watch birds and stuff, they'll tell you you need to clean it all the time to prevent disease that can spread between the birds. Like if you have one sick bird, you don't want all your birds getting sick. But I'm sorry. in nature, these birds are drinking out of ponds and stuff. You're not about to tell me that I need to clean a bird bath every week when there are birds drinking out of poopy water or something. You know what I mean? Like, in winter, cleaning that wet bird bath is a lot. It's a lot, y'all. I've had no casualties so far with my diamond painting drills here. But yeah, I've got my eyes on a few little discount diamond paintings, like the what was I talking about? The Make Market. I think I'd really like to try one Make Market. And I haven't tried a Diamond Dots before. Diamond Dots has a swan that they sell that I'd really like to try. And then also, what else? There's a cottage that I saw. And the cottage looks really good. To me, the cottage is small, so it's something you can kind of finish quickly. But it's not on the Walmart website, and I think it's a Walmart exclusive. I was watching another lady on YouTube review it. I think her name is like Lazy Diamond Granny or something, or like Retired Lazy Grandma, or I don't know. And it looked so cute. It was little bitty. We love a little bitty diamond painting. And she said it was from Walmart. It was like a Walmart exclusive, I think. And I went to the Walmart website and it wasn't listed. So I don't know if they're new, maybe. Or what, but I want it. There's another swan diamond painting. I've been thinking about either getting the diamond painting from Diamond Dots, or there's an artist, I think his name is like Frank Williams or something, who did swans that would be applicable for Summer with the Masters, which is a diamond painting event. I think maybe Diamonds and Washi, the YouTube lady, hosts that event. I could be wrong. But I've been thinking about getting that for Summer with the Masters. But I haven't made up my mind. They're like some really pretty swans. I don't know where I would buy it from. Everybody's been talking about Jade Gem Shop, but I don't know what I want to do yet, y'all. I do not know. I simply do not know. If you guys have a favorite diamond painting company outside of Diamond Art Club, let me know. I had all my little drill cases color coded like a rainbow in my Elizabeth Ward kit, and now I'm getting them all mixed up because I'm just throwing them back in there. So I'm working. I've got 2 Ys right here. But yeah, let me know. I've bought from AliExpress before and the quality was super bad. I think it's just situational and depends on what shop you're purchasing from, though. Like everything in the world, right? I saw Bella Art de Nicole is making diamond paintings now. She used to make a lot of 3D printed trays and stuff. I never bought any from her, but I'm hopeful that her new shop is successful and provides good quality products, right? I don't know why I'm talking about this at all, because like I said earlier, I am on no buy. Wee-oo, no buy alert. License and registration, pull over, Megan. Are you thinking about buying diamond kits? I think what I'm gonna do is work on my big projects, but then every now and again get like a 30 by 30 or something just to break it up and take little breaks, you know? I am missing 2 little containers, so if you guys can hold on for 5 little seconds, give me. Okay. Got this room super warm and cozy. Okie dokie. So I think my Elizabeth ward only holds like 40 or something colors. So I have these. My little champion bead containers from Dollar Tree. Hopefully that's not too close to y'all. So anything that's kind of left over, I put in these containers. I have like 5. What color am I looking for here? Right side square. I don't think I need anything from this, do I? Was I being silly? I do need an H. What color is my H? Whenever I got my canvas kit or whatever, 2 of my little stickers were missing. You know, you get your Diamond Art Club kit and it comes with a little paper with a sticker and then your guide numbers that you can peel off and put on your containers, right? I had 2 of my numbers were peeled off already. I don't know if they came off in the packaging or something, but my H was missing, so I had to put that on there. I'm talking about these numbers right here. You know, you can just peel them off and put them on your containers. Let's see. This is a new color to me, or a new shape symbol. Kind of reminds me of like an Art Deco symbol. What else is going on? Hopefully my camera looks okay. I feel like my camera angle is kind of weird. It'll have to be okay for now. It'll have to do, y'all. It's okay. This here is the Dollar Tree washi tape. You see how it's kind of peeling at the ends? This red is also Dollar Tree. Now, when I bought that, I thought that the entire roll was a flat red, which is what I wanted. However, this red is being so naughty. So I put down this strip a few hours ago, and as I unrolled it, I realized, oh no, it's not just red. And it's kind of got a gradient on it, and it's the ugliest gradient I've ever seen. It's legit like orange. It looks like it's sun bleached. It looks like this color red, but sun bleached. It is so gross. Because at first I thought, oh my gosh, is my tape is malformed? Did something happen in the factory? No, the entire roll is like that. It's not just a flat red. So that kind of stinks because I like red, so I wanted a flat red. Let me close my blinds a little bit here. I've got a southern facing window right next to me and it is getting hot. It's about 2 o'clock here. So a southern facing window is gonna give me problems, you know. Okay, let me get a cup of coffee, a little drink here. If you guys have been listening this whole time, be sure to take a moment to kind of wiggle your fingers or crack your knuckles or stand up. Have a little drink of water if you need to. This is the perfect time for me to diamond paint because I have clothes in the washer and dryer. And if I go for an hour, well then, I can sit here for an hour and diamond paint. Okay, what color do I need next? Do I have F? I do have F. Are we playing Wheel of Fortune? Am I thinking of the right show? I'd like to buy an F. Is there an F? There are 5 Fs. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, what about a vowel? There are no vowels. Diamond painting game show, what would that be like? Would that be like trivia, maybe? Or what? What would it be? Okay, I think that's all the Fs. I have so much confetti. At my normal diamond painting station, my workplace, my workstation, I usually have a lot of colors already sorted onto shelves and trays and stuff, but not today. We're at my work desk right here. Oh goodness. Oh, I forgot that my number 1 AB. I thought that this was just white, but it's pink. Let focus. It's like a pinky. Pinky. Cute. I got some ABs right here. I need to walk today too. So what do I need to do? I need to finish all my laundry. Then I need to have a little walkie walk on the treadmill. Get some cardio in today. Just some regular normal paced walking. And then what? I need to work on my diamond painting some more. I am a little bit late. I'm a little bit off schedule, I guess I should say. My schedule was for me to do 5-inch rows every week, and then I could finish this 25-inch painting by the start of February pretty much. But I'm starting to realize that's kind of a tall order for me. I know some people can sit down and diamond paint all day, you know, which is awesome. I'm learning, you know? I'm learning to be better about allocating my time. Let's see. I think that's all my ones, which is good. Yeah, if I had everything out in trays already, this would take no time. And then what do I have next? Some stars. Some gray stars. Are you guys ready for the winter? I think I'm supposed to get some snow or ice Monday. I think it's supposed to be 15 degrees, which is crazy for Arkansas. It's been warm. I think yesterday it was 60 outside. Is that not insane? But I guess that's just like a cold front, huh? It's not something never seen before. It's just a cold front, Megan. Relax, it's not that big of a deal. Are you guys watching any shows that you like? I need show recommendations. Usually when I get on the treadmill, I take my tablet with me and I watch shows on the treadmill. I've been thinking about rewatching True Blood. True Blood is such a corny show. I used to really enjoy it when it was new, like 10 years ago. It's about this girl from Louisiana. I forgot that I knew all this. Her name's Sookie Stackhouse. Here we go. I was looking for my orange. My down arrows. So True Blood, it's kind of a mature show. There's some nudity and adult situations, you know, in it. But it's really funny. It's based off of a book series called, what is it called? Something about Sookie Stackhouse. The Sookie Stackhouse series. I don't know. Crap. I used to know what that was. Anyway, by a lady named Charlene Harris, and she's from Arkansas, and so am I. So that was cool. And they made the book series into a TV show, and it was really good. I used to really enjoy it. It may be a little bit too much for me now. I remember the entire show was so cheesy. Like, the actors in that show, in my opinion, are not good. It's not like a serious show. It is kind of campy. Campy, like, the actors aren't great. The situations are super dramatic and not likely to happen. Like, it's just silly. I don't know what to say. But yeah, I think it's on Hulu. I have a Hulu account. I have a Hulu subscription, but I still see ads, you know, so whatever. Let's see. I need this one here. And this one here. So maybe I'll watch some True Blood on the treadmill today. But yeah, in the show, Sookie is just like this little blonde girl who's kind of silly. She's not that smart. She's psychic or something. I guess I won't say any spoilers, huh? But she's not psychic, but she can hear other people's thoughts. But this is something that's talked about in the first episode, so it's not spoiling anything. It's goofy. I remember I read all of the books too. 20-year-old Megan, she was probably reading sillier stuff, you know. But yeah, it's fun. It's fun. If you guys don't mind like adult situations or, you know, mature television, it's fun. I'm not mad at it. It's probably what I'll watch on the treadmill today. Everybody, there's one guy named Bill who has an accent that's real strong. I think in real life he's like a British guy, but in the show he kind of talks like this, and it's such like an inauthentic Southern accent in my opinion. Because, you know, people in the South, you can have 1,000 different accents down here. I think I have an accent. I think a lot of people don't think I have an accent, especially in work and stuff. But for me, the way that I don't enunciate, like I do not really enunciate all of my words like this. The way that I talk is kind of lazy. And to me, that's a Southern accent. My words all kind of run together. But this is also me doing my like polite voice that isn't the way that I normally talk all the time. So I think my true self has more of like a mumbly Southern accent. Okie dokie, I need a plus sign and what looks like a TP. I always call this my little TP symbol. It's like a triangle with two lines coming out of the top. Let's see right here. I always call that my TP. What else did I say? Plus sign. This music is nice. I can never tell if I have the music too loud or too quiet for y'all. I know not everybody wants to hear music, so I try not to make it very loud. Sometimes it's nice though. Okie dokie, and my TP, I need 2 of the TP. I was talking about this in my other video. Do you guys have like, do you have like a monologue for what you call the special symbols and stuff? Or do you just say, I just need this symbol? Or do you say, I need the bacon? There's one that I always talk about is the bacon color. I don't have it handy right here, but you know, the bacon or the TP. Then you have squiggle with a line under it. Or an anchor. Or to me, the stick with the circle at the end is always the lollipop. And there's one that looks like a jelly bean to me, so I always have a jelly bean and a lollipop. I got my own little lingo going on here. I need to finish soon. My phone battery said that I had 20% left a few minutes ago, so could you imagine I just lose an hour's worth of footage? I'm just chatting. We're just talking for an hour. I'll be excited to see if future Megan actually gets done with this row that I wanted to get done with, you know? I'll be excited to see if she can accomplish that. I'm not trying to put unrealistic expectations on myself, or, you know, like, I'm not putting pressure on myself to a negative effect where I'm just like, oh my god, I'm so worried, but I would like to see myself do this, you know? I think it'd be cool to see if I could do it. Okay, I need top right square, R, and W. Okay, and then the two other colors are in my Dollar Tree kit. Okay. We're almost done, and then I can go fold my laundry and put it away instead of keeping it in a basket for a week like I did last week. Don't judge me. I totally have last week's laundry sitting in the basket. Shut up. You know, sometimes like it'll be in the bedroom and then I'll move it and then it'll be back in the bedroom and then, you know. I'm gonna totally do that today. I'm gonna get my 10,000 steps in today, which is my daily goal. Hung out with y'all for a while. This has been fun catching up. If you guys are still listening and stuff, be sure to leave me a comment. I like getting messages on my phone from y'all. Whenever my phone lights up and it says from YouTube, I'm always like, oh my god, I'm so excited. Somebody left me a comment. So, even if you normally kind of lurk, feel free to say hey. Let me know y'all are keeping warm with all this crazy weather. I am not built for the winter. You know, when it gets cold outside, my body naturally says it's time to put on 10 pounds and eat. Eat everything that is yummy. And if you want it, get it. So I'm trying to kind of counteract that. Okay, that's my last drill. I'm so excited. I did all of this here to here, just talking to y'all today for 2 hours. I don't know if that's, I mean, it's slower than if I weren't talking, right? But to me, that's an okay amount of time. What do y'all think? My Dollar Tree tape keeps peeling back up on me, even here. I think the Dollar Tree tape with the print might be a little bit worse than just flat color, but I don't know. Oh, sorry. Well, I think I'm gonna cut this here, y'all. I really appreciate you hanging out if you're still here with me. This has been a lot of fun. I've been trying to kind of put a lot of work into my YouTube videos lately, so if you enjoy them, then I'm happy. But yeah, be sure to stretch after you take your little breaks and everything and drink some water. Be sure to be kind to yourself, you know, say some nice things for yourself, and keep warm, y'all. I will hopefully see you very, very soon. If you guys are new, feel free to subscribe. I make diamond painting YouTube content a lot, and I will see you when I see you. Stay warm, stay healthy, and do good things. Alrighty, bye-bye.